Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best commercial carpet cleaners in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Perhaps better for the home rather than as a dedicated commercial carpet cleaner, the Hoover Commercial Spotter and Carpet Cleaner is a great choice if you're looking for something easily portable and equally effective. It comes with a removable spin scrub brush as well as 3 brush speeds to target different soiling conditions. The fingertip controls make it easy to operate and adjust while you're using it, and the heated cleaning helps target the more stubborn dirt on the carpet that just doesn't seem to want to come up. There are dual tanks to keep dirty and clean water separate, and these are large capacity to keep your cleaning experience consistent and efficient. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, while the 35-foot cord gives you plenty of space to move around. But the plastic components feel a little cheaply made, which could be an issue if you need to get into some heavy-duty cleaning. For all the pet owners, we have prepared our selection of the best vacuums for pet hair. Check them out and pick your favorite. For an option that boasts performance that is out of this world, the American Extractor's Galaxy Commercial Carpet Cleaning Extractor is a superb choice for businesses and people with more rooms than they can count on 2 hands. The 12-gallon tank means you can, arguably, go through the whole house without needing to refill the tank, while the 25-foot hose gets to places that less powerful options cannot cope with. There are also 2-stage dual vacuum motors that deliver excellent performance, and its 100 psi rating provides excellent suction and will get carpets both clean and dry with little effort. It comes with a 5-year parts and labor warranty, which is excellent news and provides peace of mind. Furthermore, the water stays hot through the duration, giving it the steam cleaner treatment you need. It is, however, one of the most expensive options available, so it's perhaps not worth the money for personal use. For more great options like this, check out our selection of the best commercial vacuum cleaners. The Rug Dr. Mighty Pro X3 Commercial Carpet Cleaner is a juggernaut of a cleaner capable of tackling and overcoming the most stubborn stains that your house may encounter throughout your years living there. It sprays, scrubs, and extracts with high quality and exceptional performance, meaning that any mess and dirt left behind by pets or muddy feet will soon become a distant memory and get your home looking brand new once more. The one-pass cleaning system is highly reliable, and this not only does exactly what's intended, it also saves you valuable time when cleaning the home. By going over an area just once, you can have the confidence that you won't need to go back. This is because of the powerful jet operation that loosens the dirt and grime, freshening the fibers to ensure optimal results once you finish. The 3.9-gallon recovery tank is another time saver, and it enables you to get around the house without needing to empty and refill the tank as often as other cleaners demand. The large wheels also make it easy to maneuver without damaging your floors, while the fold-down handle makes storage a breeze for any household. You may also be interested in some of these useful carpet protectors from our list. Check them out. The Bissell Big Green Commercial Deep Cleaning 2-motor extractor machine is slightly larger than the best choice and boasts 2 large capacity tanks for excellent cleaning performance and keeps clean and dirty water separate. The deep cleaning design ensures quality results. Water and solution level tracking keeps you informed when you need to refill everything. When this occurs, the tank is easy to remove, ensuring simplicity, while the powerful edge-to-edge suction and 10-inch cleaning path means it won't miss anything when you guide it through the room. It cleans both forward and back, and the adjustable handle, combined with a range of accessories, including power brush and easy clean brush roller, mean that you get an all-in-one product for an excellent price. The hose, however, is not included, so don't get too excited about cleaning your carpets too soon. For more amazing options to help you keep your carpets in perfect conditions, check out our guide to the best carpet rakes. Our best choice for the best commercial carpet cleaners is the impressive and comprehensive Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine. It comes with a trial-sized Bissell formula, so you can get your carpet cleaned immediately, while the variety of style options mean it can appeal to everybody, regardless of whether you're looking for something to use at home or professionally. The 1.75-gallon tank may not be the largest around, but it will more than suffice, especially for smaller rooms, but it will struggle with tight spaces and those that don't have too much soilage dirtying the carpet. It also comes with heavy-duty suction to target heavily trodden-in dirt, cleaning the carpets like few others manage to, in this price range, at least. The forward and backward pass efficiency also ensures high performance, and the tough stain tool is great for clearing up mess from pets and kids. Be sure to combine it with some of the best carpet cleaner solutions.